Hello,
Hi.
beautiful people.
Hi, how are you today?
Very good. Very good. So nice to see you today from this beautiful place, which is a park somewhere in Emilia-Romagna,
Yeah.
near Bologna.
Bologna.
The air is pure, and the trees and the birds.
It's a beautiful spot.
Yeah, in a car with the radio on next door. Just
Which makes it even more peaceful.
more romantic. Now, what do we want to talk about today? I feel so relaxed that I don't even want to pick on you. What should we say about today?
Oh,
What do you wanna
just
say?
the beauty of nature
Mhm.
and how much we need this environment
How much do we need?
a lot. Every now and then.
Every now and then. No, it's beautiful to be here. It's quite inspiring actually, and you can actually feel the energy of the place and different energies depending on different place. So, well, what can I recommend? Just go somewhere
Beautiful.
and just take the chance to spend some time in nature and with nature. So discover the beauty of the energies and the spirits around us. And with this invitation, like I wish you all to have a beautiful day.
I think being present in nature,
Yeah, also.
observing the beauty. That's my take on it.
Oh,
Okay.
beautiful.
All right. Are we good?
Bye bye.
See ya.